Repeat after me. I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. She is playing with her toys. She is playing with her toys. We are eating dinner. We are eating dinner. He is riding his bike. He is riding his bike. The cat is chasing a ball. The cat is chasing a ball. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. They are painting a picture. They are painting a picture. We are listening to music. We are listening to music. She is dancing in the living room. She is dancing in the living room. The dog is barking loudly. The dog is barking loudly. He is swimming in the pool. He is swimming in the pool. They are cooking dinner. They are cooking dinner. We are playing soccer. We are playing soccer. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. I am studying for a test. I am studying for a test. She is writing a letter. She is writing a letter. They are cleaning the house. They are cleaning the house. We are having a picnic. We are having a picnic. He is playing video games. He is playing video games. I am not currently reading a book. I am not currently reading a book. She is not playing with her toys right now. She is not playing with her toys right now. They are not watching a movie at the moment. They are not watching a movie at the moment. We are not eating dinner right now. We are not eating dinner right now. He is not currently riding his bike. He is not currently riding his bike. The cat is not chasing a ball at this time. The cat is not chasing a ball at this time. The sun is not currently shining. The sun is not currently shining. They are not painting a picture at the moment. They are not painting a picture at the moment. We are not currently listening to music. We are not currently listening to music. She is not dancing in the living room right now. She is not dancing in the living room right now. The dog is not barking loudly at this time. The dog is not barking loudly at this time. He is not currently swimming in the pool. He is not currently swimming in the pool. They are not cooking dinner right now. They are not cooking dinner right now. We are not playing soccer at the moment. We are not playing soccer at the moment. The baby is not currently sleeping. The baby is not currently sleeping. I am not currently studying for a test. I am not currently studying for a test. She is not currently writing a letter. She is not currently writing a letter. They are not currently cleaning the house. They are not currently cleaning the house. We are not currently having a picnic. We are not currently having a picnic. He is not currently playing video games. He is not currently playing video games. Are you currently reading a book? Are you currently reading a book? Is she playing with her toys right now? Is she playing with her toys right now? Are Are they watching a movie at the moment? Are they watching a movie at the moment? Are we eating dinner right now? Are we eating dinner right now? Is he currently riding his bike? Is he currently riding his bike? Is the cat chasing a ball at this time? Is the cat chasing a ball at this time? Is the sun currently shining? Is the sun currently shining? Are they painting a picture at the moment? Are they painting a picture at the moment? Are we currently listening to music? Are we currently listening to music? Is she dancing in the living room right now? Is she dancing in the living room right now? Is the dog barking loudly at this time? Is the dog barking loudly at this time? Is he currently swimming in the pool? Is he currently swimming in the pool? Are they cooking dinner right now? Are they cooking dinner right now? Are we playing soccer at the moment? Are we playing soccer at the moment? Is the baby currently sleeping? Is the baby currently sleeping? Are you currently studying for a test? Are you currently studying for a test? Is she currently writing a letter? Is she currently writing a letter? Are they currently cleaning the house? Are they currently cleaning the house? Are we currently having a picnic? Are we currently having a picnic? Is he currently playing video games? Is he currently playing video games? What are you currently reading? What are you currently reading? What is she playing with? What is she playing with? movie are they watching? What movie are they watching? What are we having for dinner right now? What are we having for dinner right now? What is he currently riding? What is he currently riding? What is the cat chasing? What is the cat chasing? How is the weather at the moment? How is the weather at the moment? What picture are they painting? What picture are they painting? What music are we currently listening to? What music are we currently listening to? Where is she dancing? Where is she dancing? Why is the dog barking loudly? Why is the dog barking loudly? Where is he swimming? Where is he swimming? What are they cooking for dinner right now? What are they cooking for dinner right now? What game are we playing? What game are we playing? Where's the baby sleeping? Where is the baby sleeping? What subject are you currently studying for? What subject are you currently studying for? What is she writing a letter about? What is she writing a letter about? What parts of the house are they cleaning? What parts of the house are they cleaning? Where are we having the picnic? Where are we having the picnic? What video game is he playing? What video game is he playing?